The other day, I went out to a community in my vicinity to teach them about robotics and virtual reality. So the students were very excited, and I was very passionate about what I'm teaching them. I taught them resistors, robotics, what is robotics, virtual reality, and so on. Like they learned a lot about Arduino boards. You can see the smiles on their face. They are all happy, asking questions, and I feel like it's high time we adopt this in our schools. We also got some visitors from Ecuador. They came to look at how everything went, and trust me, they love whatever they see. You can see they are playing with a robot car, and they also help the students to understand some aspect of whatever we are teaching them. This is an amazing thing. I think I'll never forget, because always one thing about me is when I'm teaching students and they understand it, they can replicate whatever they understand, and they can also do it on their own. I just feel good. I feel like, okay, I've imparted something into someone which will go a long way helping them. So yeah, we did a lot that day. We learned several electronics components like diode, resistors, buttons, and then jumper cables. They even learn how to use the breadboard, and they were able to build circuits on their own, right? That's the most important thing. They are able to do it. Most of them are very, very happy because this is their first time. We also try out virtual reality, so they wear it, and it simulates different environments for them, which obviously they like it as well. Everything looks just good, and I'm looking forward to visit a lot of schools. Even though I've done a lot of schools in the past, but this particular one, I was able to film it and also do this awesome voiceover for it. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you want us to visit your school? If you want us to visit your school, just drop it in the comment section, and let us know. You may never know. You just find out there, and then we can teach the children. I feel like in Ghana here, most kids don't get access to this. Sometimes you get to the university level because before you know some of these things exist, or even at high school, which is too late because it doesn't help us enough, right? But these kids now have access, and then it triggered their passion. Going forward, they will know some of these courses that they will choose in order to become engineers and stuff. And finally, you can see our visitors tried out some of our local food, so you can see the reaction on their face. They love it. Some were laughing, and it was just priceless. Look at the priceless reaction on their face. That's their first time though.